Leaving America yet again, and something I must say is that I am so excited to be finally leaving. For those that are new here, as well as, for the people who are also curious, at the very end of the video, I actually talk about the reason why I'm leaving America and why I intend on staying out of America. But for now, enjoy my trip down from LA to Ecuador.
Boy, Tropical J tapping in, man, from Panama. You feel me? Got the papaya. This right here is actually gonna be my breakfast. But yeah, man, it's beautiful. It's beautiful out here. Yeah, but I got this big ass papaya. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, this right here was, well, actually, before I even tell y'all the price of this papaya, I want y'all to comment down below what you think the price of this papaya was, okay? Just so you know, it's under $5. It's done, baby. It's done, baby. 50 pull-ups, 50 push-ups in Panama. So I found a hostel to attend in the meantime before my flight. And this is where I'm at. It's beautiful. Out there, there's a pool. That right there is the pool. Just met a few of the people who are living here. Cool people. I'm in the hammock and I look super tired. And I am super tired, so I'm gonna catch me some Z's before I get on this next flight. Look at this bird, it looks so beautiful. See the red beak? Look at it. Look at the red beak. Or the red chest. It's beautiful. So I'm just now getting over the little jet lag. Over in Quito, Ecuador, doing a little bit of work. Got the frutas. Fruit is looking amazing and cheap. But I want to just briefly tell you something, okay? When it comes to the reason why I left America, okay? The reason why I really left America is because things are really, really expensive, and I've told multiple people this, in America, you really have to, you kind of need to aim to be like a millionaire, to be able to live a life of that's that's just really, really top tier, you feel me, that you want, 100K is enough, 200K ain't really even enough, and you have to be a businessman. Now that is cool, I'm grateful for that pressure, but, it's just, really America is just too damn expensive, man. As well as what they do into the food, as well as the mentality there as well. The consumerism, there's no break in America, born and raised in America, South LA, but the reason why I titled my Instagram and my YouTube Tropical Jeremiah is because I genuinely love tropical food and I genuinely love tropical places, and the more you look into humanity, you realize that we need to be more in alignment with nature. We don't need to be in a box. We don't need to be in a box, But even for these people who do live in a box, right, a square home, right, Amazon, you feel me? Nature is literally their backyard, you know? In LA, you have to drive about like an hour away just to get to the nearest forest, as well as you got to deal with traffic, you feel me? People cursing and doing wild shit on the freeway, killings and stuff like that. Outrageous tickets for parking on the street when you have a car and you need to park it, but like, it's crazy. Like, it's just capitalism at the highest level, you know? And again, this, I don't say this to make myself look like, cause I'm an Aries, so like I'm always up for a challenge, you know. Like you tell me, I gotta go kill. Like you, like I'm just an Aries. You feel me? Like I don't know how else best to describe this, but like I accept the challenge. But at the same time, America is like, as of right now, one of those top countries. So it's like at the very top of the food chain, I have to be better than the top. You know, and it's like you can do so much more outside of America than if you were in America, if you do it the right way. It's a lot to say, but ultimately I left America because prices, as well as the quality of food and the quality of living, okay? And what you guys can look forward to on this channel, right, is really more tropical themes, you feel me? Like tropical places. What I plan on doing is just going to different tropical places all around the world, documenting my experiences there, as well as, you know, embracing the culture, showing you guys the culture and stuff like that. That's the reason why I call it my YouTube and my Instagram Tropical Jeremiah, because when you come to my page, I want you to see like nothing but tropical and me, Jeremiah, you feel me? But yeah, with that being said, man, I'm in Ecuador for 3 months. I have a retreat going on out here. It's dope. I'm really excited for it, and it's gonna be a beautiful experience. So it's beautiful out here. I haven't even showed y'all the hostel, but the hostel is beautiful.